Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about how and why you should actually clean your toilet bowl tank for your toilet. So if you notice, it depends on your water, it depends on a lot of things within your water system and how clean and how dirty your toilet is. But if you start noticing that there's rings around your toilet a lot, you have hard water stains, you have grime buildup, you have, that sort of thing, it's very, very much important that you clean your tank once a month. And if you haven't done this, you might need to deep clean your tank before you start with this process. But once a month, it's best to actually use white vinegar. So we have cleaning white vinegar. You're going to put about a cup of white vinegar directly into the tank, a cup or two, depending on how dirty it is. And you can either, what I usually do is I do this before I go to bed and I leave it sit overnight. And then the next morning, it's really easy. You just flush your toilet and it helps keep it clean. And if you do that and your tank's clean, you're going to notice that your water in your toilet is going to be a lot cleaner and it will be a lot less for you to actually clean and scrub your toilet as well. So by doing this, it helps maintain a lot of the rubber seals, the parts and pieces that are in your flushing mechanism. It helps maintain those things so you have much better water flow through your system. Sure, you can put bleach in here, but bleach will start deteriorating some of the pieces that are in here, the rubber seals and that sort of thing. So let's just get started here quick. So we're just going to remove the toilet bowl tank top right here and put it where it's not going to fall and hit you in the foot or anything like that. And again, this is not, you don't have to measure this. This is just give it a good eyeballing here. And we're just going to pour in about a cup or two into there. And this is going to break up and break down some of that sediment buildup and that sort of thing. And if you don't know this, it's actually important too that keeping your toilet bowl clean is, if it's not and you flush your toilet, you can get E. coli, into the air. You can get a bunch of different bacteria and things like that. So you definitely want to do this and keep your toilet bowl clean. So it's as simple as that. So white vinegar is your friend here. A cup or two of that. Leave it sit overnight. Flush it. And if your toilet bowl is still dirty, you might have to take a spray bottle and spray the top parts of it and things like that are not necessarily having all the water up to that line. Spray that. You might have to get a soft bristle brush and kind of get in there, scrub it up a little bit and have your vinegar in there and spray it down. You might have to do a little bit more depending on how dirty your tank is. But other than that, if you just want to do monthly and you're staying on top of it, when you're doing your bathroom cleaning, deep cleaning once a month, use this, pour it in there, let it sit overnight. Give it a good flush in the morning and your toilet bowl tank will last longer and it'll function a ton better. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Super thanks, always welcome. And we'll show you a deep cleaning of a toilet bowl tank as well. And these aren't that dirty because we do this once a month. But we'll show you how you would do a deep cleaning. So if you have that problem, we'll give you another video on that as well.